A community work program known as CWP is a government initiative that provides temporary employment for people of working age. In South Africa, the working age range is between 15 and 65 years. Recently, the Department of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs announced plans to cut this program short for persons aged 55 years and above. It says this decision was due to budgetary constraints. Civic Movement Save South Africa says this move lacks timing and proper planning.
We view this as a lack of timing and lack of proper planning. January is a crucial time for many South Africans, especially those who are underpaid and underemployed, like community workers. One of the biggest challenges about this termination of contracts for specified age is that we all know that a person of 55 years is highly likely unemployable at that age. And sadly, the very same person was receiving a slave stipend that did not even allow him or her to save for the future.
Cosatu says the termination of these contracts will lead to absolute poverty and a struggle to find employment, as these workers have reached an age where they have likely become unemployable.
This is absolutely concerning because many of these persons are dependent upon these CWPs for the source of income, and we should not be sending a single South African into the unemployment queue when we have a 41.9% unemployment rate. We must also have a discussion with the Department of Cooperative Governance with Treasury on a new local government financial model. Many of them are simply bankrupt. Many municipalities also choose to outsource what is more permanent, decent work to these CWP programs as a source of cheap labor. And many of these public employment programs provide little skills and training, almost no pathway to permanent, decent employment with a living wage, and simply often become a source of patronage. But the crisis today is to address these issues with these persons who are 55 years and above, who might be plunged into deeper poverty, something we simply can't afford.
The retrenched persons are expected to receive their final payments on the 25th of this month. However, Cosatu says it plans on meeting with COGTA, the Department of Public Works, and Treasury to find a solution that will prevent more South Africans joining the unemployment queue. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.